Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about types of gears and their applications. If you had been not subscribed my channel, so please like and subscribe my channel for watching latest video. So let's first start with what is gear. Gear can be defined as the mechanical element used for transmitting power and rotary motion from one shaft to another by means of progressive engagement of projections called teeth. So let's start with first type. First is spur gear. Spur gear are used for transmitting power or motion between two parallel axis shafts. The teeth of spur gear are cut parallel to the axis of the gear. Spur gears are easy to manufacture. Let's see how spur gear transmit power or motion between two shafts. After that, applications of spur gear. The spur gears are used in automobile gearboxes, machine tool gearboxes, industrial gearboxes, etc. The spur gears are mainly used for low speed applications. Second type is helical gears. Helical gears teeth are cut at an angle known as helix angle with the axis of gear. The helical gears are used for transmitting power or motion between two parallel axis shafts. Let's see how helical gears transmit power or motion between two shafts. After that, the applications of helical gears. The helical gears are used in high-speed stages of automobile gearboxes, machine tool gearboxes, industrial gearboxes, and etc. The helical gears are used in high-speed applications like steam turbine and gas turbines. Then third type is herringbone gears, that is also called as double helical gear. In order to avoid an axial thrust on the shaft and the bearings, the double helical gears or herringbone gears are used. Herringbone gears consist of two identical helical gears but of opposite hands cut on the same. So let's see how herringbone gears transmit power or motion. After that, the applications of herringbone gears. Herringbone gears are used for heavy and continuous load applications. Herringbone gears are mostly used in heavy machineries. Next type is external gear pair. In external gear pair, two gears mesh externally. In external gear pair, the pinion and gear always rotate in opposite direction. Applications of external gear pairs. The external gear pairs are used in automobile gearboxes, machine tool gearboxes, industrial gearboxes, and watches. Next type is internal gear pair. In internal gear pair, an internal gear meshes with an external pinion. In internal gear pair, the pinion and gear always rotate in same direction. Let's see how internal gear pairs works. Applications of internal gear pair. Internal gear pairs are used in epicyclic gear train. Next type is rack and pinion. Rack is a straight line gear which is also called as gear with infinite pitch circle diameter. In rack and pinion, the straight sided rack meshes with the pinion. Let's see how rack and pinion used to convert a rotary motion of the pinion into linear motion of rack or vice versa. After that, applications of rack and pinion. Rack and pinion are used in machine tools like lathe, drilling machine, milling machine. After that, next type is bevel gear. Two intersecting axis shafts are connected by gears known as bevel gears. Bevel gears can be produced for almost any shaft angle. Let's see how bevel gears transmit motion. After that, the applications of bevel gear. The bevel gears are used in differential gearbox of automobiles. They are also used in industrial gearboxes where the input and output shafts are required at right angle. After that, next type is worm gears. Two non-intersecting and perpendicular axis shafts are connected by worm and worm gear. The worm is of cylindrical form and look like a screw. The worm may be left-handed or right-handed. Let's see how it works. After that, applications of worm gear. The worm gear drives are used in lifting or hoisting devices, cranes, lifts, conveyors, etc. They are used in all applications where high reduction ratio is required. So this is all about gears, type of gears and their applications. Thank you.